Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje and I love drawing. I do it every day and every week here on YouTube I share a Draw Tip Tuesday video. Lately the Draw Tip Tuesday videos have been sketchbook tours and I have another sketchbook tour for you. As workshop season is in full swing, I am away and I'm also filling a lot of sketchbooks. So I figured I film my sketchbooks and so you can see all the pages and you can come with me a little bit on my travels and at my workshops. So today I have this one for you. It was filled in May in 2024. And it's all happening in Santa Fe. Let's dive in. Let's take a look. May 2024. So this is following up on the sketchbook that I showed you 2 weeks ago. But I ran out of pages, so I had to start another one. And here we are right away, going into drawing food. Quesadillas with cactus. On this page, I collected all kinds of color palettes that I found on different spots in Santa Fe. The great thing about this page is that I can always go back to this if I want some of the vibe. I can go back to these color combinations and just pick one of the combinations to use as my colors for any kind of drawing that I'm doing. This is drawing from a video, people dancing. In the mornings in Santa Fe, we would have class inside. So I would have videos and other resources that we could draw from. And this is also a timed model drawing. Then in the afternoons, we would go outside on location. Of course, I wanted to draw people and nobody was out there. But of course, we were there. We were a group of 18 artists, so we could draw each other. This is the rail yard, so iconic, such an iconic place. It was super windy that week. You can really see I tried to indicate how windy it was that afternoon. I had dinner at the Plaza Café, which I really loved. They had beautiful food and a wonderful interior, which for me was just such a treat being in the US. And then having dinner in one of those iconic diners. It's just really wonderful to have a drawing of it as well. This is a sketch collage of all the things from one street. Another sketch collage done in the International Folk Art Museum. And dinner. Really great dinner at the chef's table. We had a view on whatever was going on in the kitchen and that was busy, busy, busy. It was really great to watch these chefs cooking with so much passion and attention for detail. Drawing before class. Drawing upside down as an exercise so that you actually draw what you see and not what you know. Drawing hands and feet too, because this after all was a class around people drawing, so we had to include hands and feet too. And then in the afternoon we used frames, panels to fill with a little story. And again I used a limited palette. Then we had a drink and draw together. I didn't get to draw everyone, but the people that were around me at the table, at least I got them on the page. Also, I drew what I ate there, which was really tasty. And this is already the last morning. Drawing from video again. And suddenly we were in Paris. Because, well, that was the video that I provided. And in the afternoon, those who stayed for a little while didn't have to leave yet. We all went for a coffee and sketch date. That was just a wonderful, relaxing afternoon. Everyone drawing and looking at each other's sketchbooks. And you can tell, or at least I can tell, from seeing these drawings that I was really tired after teaching the class for a week. I'm back at the Plaza Café again for one more meal. Oh, and you've seen this because I published the video of the process on Draw Tip Tuesday recently. And then I'm leaving to go home again. There I am, back home. The weather was great. And I had a date with a friend, so while I was waiting with her, I was observing these 20-somethings day drinking. Interesting. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that this inspired you to go and draw. If you need an assignment for this week, then I want to give you something that I pick out of this sketchbook, which is the color palette. Look around you. Are there, or where you are right there, then and there, in your living room, or maybe if you look outside the window, are there any colors that really speak at you? So maybe it's green of the leaves and some gray of the buildings, and perhaps you see a bright color like blue from the sky or something else. Pick 3 or 4 colors and maybe also black with your pen. Use those colors and do a drawing right now. If you like assignments and challenges, then please check out my Patreon page, because you can become a patron, you can become a free member or pay just a little amount or a little more, and then you will get more content like this, but also different kind of articles that I write, videos that I make, thoughts that I share, and of course, challenges and assignments. I will put the link below the video so you can find me on Patreon. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Next week, there's another sketchbook tour. I'll see you then. Bye.